Come test drive the 2012 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, xenon headlights, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, rear seat entertainment system, cruise control, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.